Today I'm going to show you how to fix the perspective in Photoshop using perspective correction. So as you can see right now, this was the image that I shot. It's completely white and it looks like the Ferris wheel is tilting back. Now that's because I shot in a wide angle lens. I don't want that. I want to fix the image. So once you're done with perspective correction, this is what your image should look like. So how did I do this? The first thing that you have to do is click the background layer, drag it down to the plus. It's going to create a copy of the background layer. Then right click the background layer and go to convert to smart object. What you're doing is you're converting the copy into a smart object. So once that's converted, you go to edit, and in the edit panel you will see this little option that says perspective warp. You're going to click that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to set anchor points around the frame. So each anchor point for this image, I'm going to set it at the edge of the frame. So let's set the anchor points to each edge of the frame, and once my anchor points are set, I'm just going to hit the enter key. So now what it's going to let us do is it's going to let us warp the image. So you click the anchor point and you drag it according to where you want to place it and where it feels right. So as you can see, if I pull it away, it goes wide, and if I pull it back, it literally looks like the image is folding. So now we have more control over the perspective. So I'm going to drag this out a bit. I'm going to drag this out a bit. And as you can see, the image looks a little wide. So I can just bring this in a little bit and pull out the bottom 2 points as well. So again, don't overdo it. You get to control how wide you want your image to go, and just play around with it until you feel that the perspective is right. And then once you feel like you've gotten the perspective that you like, you can export the image. So let's just make some minor corrections. This should go in a bit, and this should go in a bit as well. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, that looks nice. That looks nice. Maybe just widen this a little bit, and we can widen this a little bit more, and there you go. So once you click enter, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to the final warped image. So if you look at the before, this is what it looked like, and this is what the after looks like. It looks a little more straight. But now you can see that the effect of the warp is seen once you remove the background layer. So all I do in this situation is I just crop into the image. So we crop into the image a little bit. We crop into the other side of the image as well, and a little bit from the top. So once you're done cropping and you like what you see, just click enter, and that will be your final image. So yeah, when you're doing perspective warping, obviously you're going to lose a little bit of the information on the frame, but you're getting the right perspective, such as this. So if you look at the before, it looks like the Ferris wheel is tilting back, but then once the correction is made, it now looks straight. So that's how you do perspective correction. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.